Well, it depends on who you are. If you're the spouse, really almost nothing happens. We simply take that IRA and physically put it in your account like it's always been your IRA. That's the best tax treatment you're going to get. There's no tax effect on that at all, no transfer tax. Now, people will ask, is there an income tax? No, there isn't an income tax. People ask, is there an estate tax? Yeah, there is a estate tax, but that's for estates over $10 million. So those are larger estates. So in general, a spouse has the best treatment. We just put that IRA into the name of the spouse. If you're anybody other than a spouse, we will open a new account called so-and-so, name of the decedent, self-directed IRA, number 12345, and then the name of you, the beneficiary of that IRA. So it's quite a long name, but it shows us forevermore that that was an inherited IRA. The reason we want to know that is you can do anything to that inherited IRA you want. You can make any investments you want. You can make any investment decisions and choices you want. You can buy and sell assets in that IRA. You cannot add funds to the IRA. In other words, can't make any new contributions. And if the IRA that came to you was traditional, it is a traditional. If the IRA that came to you was a Roth, it stays a Roth. You can't change the character. And the reason is the court says, Dad wanted you to have a traditional IRA. And even if you say Dad didn't know what a Roth IRA was, the court says, don't know that. Here's what Dad left you. That's what you got.